In this lesson, we will talk about BigQuery integration with Dataplex and Dataform, bringing asset and code management capabilities to our users. For enterprises that have data that's distributed across data lakes, data warehouses, and data marts, using Dataplex can help discover data, curate data, unify data without any data movement, organize data based on your business needs, and centrally manage, monitor, and govern data. Dataplex lets you standardize and unify metadata, security policies, governance, classification, and data lifecycle management across this distributed data. Using BigQuery integration with Dataplex and its metadata management features, you are now able to build at-a-glance views of data that help you understand the quality of data. This integration allows for resource exploration and discovery through metadata views like lineage, quality, and profiling. So let's take a look at each of these. Using data profiling, you can build deeper understanding of your data and track data drifts with detailed statistical profiling information right within the BigQuery UI. Use the Data Quality tab to build trust in data at scale with built-in rule recommendation, serverless execution, and alerting. View quality metrics for a table right in the BigQuery UI. Data lineage allows tracking of end-to-end lineage for BigQuery, BigLake, and BigQuery Omni to understand movement of data. Trace downstream impact, upstream causes for data issues, and compliance to policies. BigQuery Studio is designed to build trust right from the data source, guiding users through data understanding, issue identification, and problem solving. Data practitioners benefit from a host of functionalities aimed at elevating data quality. So in summary, with data lineage, you can track the origin and transformations of your data to understand its evolution. With data profiling, you can assess data to ensure its quality and integrity. And you can use quality constraints to enforce data quality constraints for more reliable analytics. Using BigQuery integration with Dataform and its code management capabilities, you can share, version, and source control your code within your teams. Recall that we had discussed Dataform in detail in an earlier module,